a Blue Wow when I had it.
Yeah.
And I couldn't get the ZVX, so I just switched brands.
Yeah, I love the ZVX.
Yeah. I was trying to get the 18s, but they didn't have them in stock.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that looks good, man.
6 ZVX 12, 2 base 8Ks.
It's loud.
We're running low on power, but we've been running all morning too.
Yes, they got it looking good too. Like a whole different bill now from last year.
My swag is undeniable. You know who it is. Big Glock. From my neighborhood. Keep it moving now. Mouth running business. Feet trapped. Hey. Let a bitch know how to walk down. Put a block down. Is it not? Don't you ever fucking look at me.
Difference from last time we did it last time. Yeah, it's real punchy too. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's punchy. That's what that other guy was trying to say.
Yeah, it is. It's real punchy. It is.
And for ZVXs, most people think, oh, they're just SQs. They're not, or SPL. They're not going to grab you. They're not going to pull on
It's all about the box.
Yeah, it is.
It's all about the box.
I still got a lot more to go, but
man, and how many you got in there?
612s right now.
On 2 ceramic AKs, right?
Yeah. We split on 2 sets, and they're all 1-ohms. So I'm running at 0.67 per set. Game mask on door amps.
Oh, yes, sir.
Trying to find that sweet spot. Ain't quite there yet.
What's your meter on it already?
58 on the meter, and I can hit the high on the meter going down the road.
Yeah.
I'm running on alternator. I got 1 off.
What? You got 1 factory or
one? 370 make man.
What to run the whole car?
Run the whole car.
Oh, yes, sir. It's real impressive. Let them know where they can find you at.
I'm over in Muskogee, Oklahoma, but if most of the car shows around there will probably be there. Or you can find Demo Limo on TikTok. I kicked it up on the sign a little bit. Demo Limo on TikTok and Second Life 6 Store.
Yes, sir. Y'all be sure to give them a follow. I appreciate it, bro. That was a good thing, man.
And you got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.